parts of our area did see it. You may have a chance again tonight. Let's talk more about that. We'll start off with what you're going to see as far as that geomagnetic storm. So this is a severe geomagnetic storm caused by a solar flare that then moves toward the Earth, and you get that reflection off basically molecules of nitrogen, oxygen, depending on the color, kind of tells you which type of molecule we had mostly in the atmosphere. We saw a lot of red, that's oxygen molecules. So this morning, early this morning before the sun came up and last night, we had a severe geomagnetic storm. It was kind of a level 8. Tonight, it's still going to be going on, but it's more of a level 6. So if you look at these lines here, this is a level 7. That's where it's visible as far south as basically the Pennsylvania-New York border. It's a little bit further north than that tonight. Last night it was a little further south. That's why we were able to see it. There's a chance we'll be able to see kind of maybe a filtered version of it, and especially the farther north you go up toward the Poconos, away from light pollution, visible mostly in the overnight hours when everything is at its darkest. So if you see it later tonight, make sure you send your photos in. We'll get them on the air for you. Again, I don't think it's going to be quite as visible as it was last night, or would have been if we didn't have all the cloud cover. Clouds are still out there this morning. It's 42 degrees. Dew points are in the 20s, so there's very dry air in place. There is a breeze. It's coming in out of the south right now, so less of that push of cold directly from eastern Canada, but with the breeze it feels colder than it is. It feels like the 30s this morning, so dress accordingly. And while we're at 42 in the city, many spots still in the 30s this morning. 36 in Allentown, but not a lot of wind there, so 36 feels like 36. Same with Reading, 38 feels like 38. Mount Pocono still in the 20s, and it feels like 21 degrees. Quite cold up there, and there's a light dusting of snow in some of those higher elevations in the Poconos. We had some snow showers on and off throughout the day yesterday and even overnight tonight, but those have since cleared. We're looking at, again, 54 degrees for the high today. The average is 57. We're not that far below normal, but the breeze today is going to make it feel a little bit cooler, so I would grab the heavy coat. We're still feeling chilly this morning. Feels like temps in the mid-30s. Sunglasses, you may not need the gloves. Maybe go with the hat. No gloves, gloves, no hat, depending on, again, how long you're going to be outside for, because the winds are going to pick up as the afternoon progresses. By 11 a.m., winds gust to 25 miles an hour. And those winds will stay strong through about 2 o'clock and then start to diminish a little bit as we head into the overnight hours, but still a little breezy tonight and into tomorrow. Here's a look at satellite and radar, and you can see we've got some snow showers to the north. Same band that kind of tried to come through overnight didn't produce much. A few flurries, snow showers in the Poconos. What we'll have to watch as those winds continue to move over the Great Lakes, just some scattered snow showers, mainly in our farthest northern zones. And again, you can see the extent of the cloud cover into our region. Clouds are in place for most of the area, but will be breaking up as the day goes on. You'll see more sun the farther south you go, and more cloud cover the farther north you stay. As far as precipitation, besides those scattered flurries or snow showers in the Poconos, we're pretty quiet right through the end of the week and the first part of the weekend. Next chance for rain is Saturday night into Sunday morning, so it's not really showing up for the daytime hours on Saturday, which is good news. First half of the weekend looks quiet, but late Saturday night into Sunday morning, here comes our next weather maker. And you can see the time here at the top of your screen. This is 7 p.m. Saturday. Overnight into Sunday morning, scattered showers. That system continues to move through Sunday morning, and then it clears out, and it should clear out in time for the Eagles game on Sunday night. But we will be drawing in another push of chilly air for early next week. So let's go ahead and take a look at your next weather 7-day forecast, which again, showing those temperatures kind of leveling back off closer to normal, mid-50s, mid to upper 50s right into the weekend. Sunday is briefly milder, morning showers, and then clouds eventually break for some sun as that colder air starts to move in. And by Monday and Tuesday, highs are back in the 40s. Not as cold as yesterday, but certainly feeling the chill Monday and Tuesday.